In today's video, let's see the guidelines for emergency towing arrangements on tankers. The information in this video is sourced from SOLAS, Chapter 2 under the topic on emergency towing arrangements and procedures. Emergency towing arrangements shall be fitted at both ends on board every tanker of not less than 20,000 tons deadweight. Following procedures are for tankers constructed on or after July 1, 2002. At all times, the platform shall be capable of rapid deployment without main power on the towing ship and easy connection with the towing ship. At least one emergency towing arrangement should be pre-rigged for rapid deployment. When towing an emergency vessel, its towing arrangements must be sufficiently strong considering the size, deadweight, and expected forces during bad weather. The major components of the towing arrangement for pre-rigged and non-pre-rigged is given in the table. Strength of the towing components. Towing components for strength should have a working strength of at least 1,000 kilonewtons for tankers of 20,000 tons deadweight and over but less than 50,000 tons deadweight, and at least 2,000 knots for tankers of 50,000 tons deadweight and over. The strength should be sufficient for all relevant angles of tow line, i.e. up to 90 degrees from the ship's centerline to port and starboard and 30 degrees vertical downwards. Length of towing pennant. The towing pennant should have a length of at least twice the lightest seagoing ballast freeboard at the fairlead plus 50 meters. Chafing chain. Different solutions on design of chafing gear can be used. If a chafing chain is to be used, it should have the following characteristics. Type. The chafing chain should be stud-link chain. Length. The chafing chain should be long enough to ensure that the towing pennant remains outside the fairlead during the towing operation. A chain extending from the strong point to a point at least 3 meters beyond the fairlead should meet this criterion. Connecting limits. One end of the chafing chain should be suitable for connection to the strong point. The other end should be fitted with a standard pear-shaped open link allowing connection to a standard bow shackle. Ready availability of towing arrangements. To facilitate approval of such equipment and to ensure rapid deployment, emergency towing arrangements should comply with the following criteria. The pre-rigged emergency towing arrangement should be capable of being deployed in a controlled manner and harbor conditions in not more than 15 minutes. The pickup gear for the pre-rigged towing pennant should be designed at least for manual operation by one person, taking into account the absence of power and the potential for adverse environmental conditions that may prevail during such emergency towing operations. The pickup gear should be protected against the weather and other adverse conditions that may prevail. The non-pre-rigged emergency towing arrangement should be capable of being deployed in harbor conditions in not more than 1 hour. The forward emergency towing arrangement should be designed at least with a means of securing a tow line to the chafing gear using a suitably positioned pedestal roller to facilitate connection of the towing pennant. Pre-rigged emergency towing arrangements at both ends of the ship may be accepted. All emergency towing arrangements should be clearly marked to facilitate safe and effective use even in darkness and poor visibility. All emergency towing components should be inspected by ship personnel at regular intervals and maintained in good working order. Our next video is on emergency towing procedures of passenger ship and cargo ship. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions or comments, please drop it in comment box. For more such videos, subscribe to Marinora.